Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on 1.3 of the 2017 Maths Lit Paper 2, and this question is sort of financial maths, but it's to calculate a value using compound interest over 2 years. So it says, during 2016, a total of 110,000 South Africans in the age group 16 to 19 years old donated blood. The SANBS decided to appeal to eligible high school learners to donate blood. So in order to do this, they set a target to increase the number of donors in this age group by a growth rate of 9.6% compounded over the next 2 years. Now the question asks us to calculate, showing all calculations, the targeted number of blood donors for this age group for 2018. So what we need to do for this one is find out what the increase of number of donors will be for 2017 added to this number, so that will be the total for 2017, and then because it's compounded year on year, we'll need to use that number that we calculated as the input for the 2018, find out what that 9.6% increase is, and that will give us our total number of donors expected or targeted for 2016. So, I'm sorry, for 2018. So we start off by finding out what is the increase expected or targeted for 2017. So we take that 110,000, we multiply it by the 9.6%. Remember, 9.6% is 9.6 over 100. In your calculators, you can put this as is, and you get that the increase needs to be 10,560. So using this increase now, we can calculate what the total is expected for 2017. So donors in 2017 needs to be 110,000 plus that increase, so the 10,560, and this comes to 120,560. So then we've got this number, and now because it's compounded, we can use this, as I said, as the input for the 2018 calculations. So we need to find what the increase needs to be for 2018. So the increase 2018 will be this 120,560 multiplied by your 9.6%. So again, it's 9.6 over 100. In your calculators, this comes to 11,573.76. And then again, so therefore we need to add this to the total at the beginning of 2018. So donors targeted in 2018 needs to be this 120,560 plus the 11,573.76, and this gives us the total of 132,133.76. But you can't have a 0.76 of a person, so we need to just round this up to 1,000 or 132,134, because we're rounding up, and that's our final answer. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you cannot find the answer to your question, remember you can always send us your questions and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.